Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Combine protein, yogurt, and the spice base so flavors can meld while you cook. First, toast coriander, cumin, and cardamom until aromatic. Grind to a powder. This builds depth. Sear the meat or paneer on high in ghee to seal juices and create fond. Once browned, remove to avoid overcooking. Meanwhile, gently caramelize sliced onions with garlic and ginger until deep golden. This step turns sweet and savory into the backbone of the korma. Once your onions are deeply caramelized, deglaze the pan with stock or water and scrape those brown bits. They're pure flavor. Return seared protein to the pot, then add ground spices and a tempered yogurt or cream. Slurry slowly to avoid curdling. This creates the silky korma sauce. Make sure to simmer on low, covered, for 20 to 30 minutes so connective tissue breaks down and spices integrate evenly. Stir occasionally and adjust salt. This gentleness is why korma becomes luxurious and cohesive. To finish, balance and elevate. Add lemon juice for brightness, chopped cilantro for freshness, and toasted nuts or a splash of cream for richness. Taste and adjust salt, and if the sauce seems too acidic, a half teaspoon of sugar tames it. Make sure to correct gradually. Let the korma rest off the heat for about 10 minutes so the sauce thickens and flavors settle. If the sauce splits, whisk in a spoonful of warm cream slowly to re-emulsify. This is the quick fix if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.